People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today we're going to make a trip to Portland and we're going to shine the spotlight on the McDonald family down there because we're hearing reports that a young man by the name of Tonya McDonald lost her life after she was discovered in a car, right? And basically, them I say, her neck was slit and car set on fire, burn up. Them find her in the Sherwood Forest part of the parish. Now, Portland is a place where anytime you hear say any real murder going down there, 99 out of 100 times, it's some kind of domestic issue, right? As in, aka man and woman affairs, or brother versus brother, or some family thing, right? They don't really have problems with gangs on there, right? So the reason why this story make headlines is because the husband of Tonya McDonald, a man by the name of Everton Beachy Stout McDonald. Don't ask me how somebody get a nickname like Beachy Stout because I can't piece anything together right. So normally when you say a nickname, it can at least make sense where it come from. I don't know how one would get the name Beachy Stout, right? But it turns out that Tonya is not his first wife to pass away under, let's just say, spooky circumstances. He had another wife before Tonya, a lady by the name of Merlene McDonald. And in May 2009, she lost her life outside her home. Now, that's two wives. So naturally, people I would think, alright, they're spooky. But the McDonald family takes it one step further. You see, Everton McDonald, he had a son. And that son, I think it's his first son, was a youth by the name of Andre McDonald. Now, does the name sound familiar? Well, Andre McDonald was married to a woman named Andreen McDonald. I mean, these names are just throwing me off, right? Andre married to Andreen. Anyway, Andreen McDonald was found in America on July the 11th, 2019. And they found her in a state where basically they could see that somebody set her on fire. Her bone them, they charred. So one wife, Tonya McDonald, get found in a car on fire, the wife that is married to the father. And the wife that was married to the son burn up as well. So naturally, you start to see why people start to think to themselves, okay, this is now extra spooky. But it's not done yet. We're also hearing that the parents of Tonya McDonald, I hear people say father or stepfather, I don't know which one it is, but I'm hearing that the father figure lost his life. And her mother was also attacked, but she survived. And by the way, people, the brother will sit on your screen right now with that menacing look, that is Andre McDonald. That is the son of Beachy Stout, right? So I'm thinking to myself, hold on. First of all, most men don't lose one wife to murder. Most. This brother has now lost two. Now, of course, it could just be an extraordinary act of coincidence, but nobody really go by that. Especially when it seemed like this entire family have some kind of crosses a follow back of them. So people, look at your screen right now. On the left, I'm hearing that is Tonya McDonald, Beachy Stout wife, the one that just passed away. And on the right is Andre McDonald, the one that Andre McDonald, Beachy Stout's son, killed a foreign. So everybody asks me, Sir P, Wagwan, tell me what you think about that one. I'll tell you what I think about this one. I'll give you my honest opinion. I don't think a lot of people are going to expect the answer though. Because to be honest, until the police them actually hold on Beachy Stout, right, and say, well, they have some kind of evidence or a witness come forward or they match something or listen, he probably go walk from this. He walked away from the first one and everybody seemed to convince him was responsible for the first one and nothing never come out of it. So again, unless something come forward, he's probably going to be walking away from this one, and Beachy Stout will tell you he's an innocent man. He will tell you same no wagwan, it's just pure bad luck, and it's not nothing to do with him. So let me tell you what I think about this. I think, based on what me I hear about Everton McDonald, and the fact that him money long like a breadfruit tree, tells me that if he doesn't go to jail for this, if the police don't hold on upon him and get some evidence and sink him, you know what's going to happen? There's going to be a third wife. Yes, another woman will happily join this family. Beachy Stout have a bag of money. Beachy Stout pocket them long. So, you see the next woman who will get with him? If youth said to her, say, listen, you know, she said the first two wives them lose them life under mysterious circumstances. You know what she would probably tell you? You chat too much. She would tell you to mind your own business. You don't know Beachy. That was just bad luck. Leave people business alone. That is the attitude enough women have towards man like Beachy Stout. Now, even if a bad luck, let me put it this way, if me meet a woman and fear two husband them before me lose them life under these circumstances, me gone. I don't care if you have nothing to do with it. I'm sorry. What's my defense also? Are you named Dead Sea? Are you named Dead Sea? Oh, where you come from? What are Israel? No. I'm gone. Sorry, I don't care. I don't care for bad luck. I don't care if you're innocent and it's bad luck. If me meet a woman and she, the two man them before me, she have two husbands before me, and this is how them go out, I am gone. Me don't want another starting to serve off for me. So, when you see certain man and their partners end up in certain situations, and people say, boy, I can't believe it, boy, I'm wicked. Sometimes you have to ask yourself the question, well, just how much did these women know about the money them dealt with? Because, and this is not speaking about Tony McDonald here, I'm talking about in general, right? Because as I said, I don't know the circumstances surrounding Tony McDonald and Beachy Stout life. Now I'm talking in general. You see, when it comes down to the whole man and woman thing, especially when you know the man money long, but he might have a shaky reputation, and you know you have a young attractive female, you might go over there with your good intentions and until people say, listen, careful and be. Remember, say, listen, the woman will run you away. The woman will run you away. I've seen it many times. Mind your business. Nobody ask you nothing. Listen, Beachy Stout will not have any problem finding a next woman. A matter of fact, you'll probably find one already. These cases are normally some cases where the females them who involved don't normally learn until it's too late. A matter of fact, Andreen McDonald, that's the wife of Beachy Stout's son, Andreen McDonald. It was said that she tell people around her, so if nothing ever happened to her, Andre do it. She was telling her friend him for a long time that, listen, if me lose my life, Andre do it, but she did with him right through. She was still with him. Now, in those circumstances, I'm just trying to think how that could possibly make sense. Imagine me saying, listen, if something happened to me, a wifey do it. But me not left wifey still. I'm going to tell you that because I'm basically saying I think wifey is a killer. And one day, wifey is probably going to kill me. But me not going away. I'm going to stay right here so. But me I tell you that still because that information have some kind of use when I'm dead and gone. Come on, people. Come on. Listen, I'm trying to be nice here. But the signs were there. From everything me hear, the signs were there. Even people on Portland, I said, well, the more them surprised it all take this long. As me say, Andreen McDonald basically predicted her own demise. But, I don't know, as an outsider, when you talk about man and woman affair, it's complicated. It's complicated because you are telling people, say, listen, be careful and don't do this and this will come to you. And people are telling us, say, yo, you chat too much. This is what I keep hearing. So when it comes down to this case, I don't even know what to say. Right? It is not like so the police them say, well, them have something on him and them have evidence, them go hold on him and charge him. Nothing like that no come out here. So all we can talk about is the domestic side. All we do know is that because looking at your screen you can see two very attractive females who were with men who were well off. I guess they thought life would be better. I guess they thought, they were going to sail into the sunset happily ever after. But they end up drawing the short stick. It's a sad situation. Right? But people, I'm tired of doing these domestic videos. I'm telling all the time. Me can only talk so much. End of the day, the people who are in these situations have to find the strength to leave or to get some kind of help. I don't know. But I've seen it too many times. I've heard it too many times. Mind your business. You chat too much. So when people ask me, sir, when we think about this, something about Beachy Stout, welcome to him. I think Beachy Stout will be just fine, assuming he doesn't go to jail. Assuming he doesn't get charged, Beachy Stout will be just fine with the ladies. And they'll be lining up to enjoy his riches and his company. This is just my opinion. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.